How to tie the double sheet bend single tuck method. So in front of me, I've got the rope laid out into which I want to tie the double sheet bend single tuck method. First thing we do is we get hold of our larger rope and form a bight in it. Form a bight like so, and once we've done that, we then take the working end of our smaller rope, or the red rope in this case, and pass it up through that bight that we've created. Take enough through because we're going to go round a couple of times. And now that we've done that, we take the working end and we pass it over the top towards us, then pass it underneath everything, go round, pass it underneath everything, pull it up through, and then once we've done that, the next thing that we do is we pass it over everything again, take it underneath everything again, and then this time, as we bring it round, we're going to pass the red working end underneath the standing end of the red one. So pass it up underneath the standing end. And as you can see now, what we've done here is we've got a single tuck as opposed to the double tuck. And the other thing to remember is when you are creating the sheet bend, both your working ends need to be on the same side.